Hello, so this is a tutorial on how to reroute your PC computer audio to separate channels using Voicemeeter Banana. Originally I saw this tutorial on the Facebook group, and this is just a video version of what was written up. So what we want to do is, for example, by default the PC gets sent into channels 1 and 2, and the issue is that channel 1 and 2 is the inserts. It will be very convenient, much more convenient, and if it's sent through to stereo channel, so it takes up only one fader. So Tascam, if you're watching this, please update the firmware so we can route or assign any stereo PC return into any of these channels. My setup, what we're gonna do. So the microphone is gonna come through channel 1. The game audio is gonna come through 7 8. Zoom Discord will come 9 and 10. So just remember, when we get the PC back, so 7 and 8 PC, and this one obviously live, so this is where our microphone is gonna be. And keep this, if you put this on, you're gonna receive the PC return, the default. Obviously you do your gain staging for your microphone. So I have a microphone, and here do the gain staging. I'm gonna engage the mains for here, and so this, my SD card is out, it's not inserted. And just make note of the bitrate 44 and 24. And the setup is, we go to menu, system, USB audio, into multi. Once Voicemeeter Banana is installed, you reboot your computer, and let's do this. So go to control panel, for sounds. So this thing will pop up. So let's move it here. Remember the bit rate, so 44 and 24. So to go to make sure everything is the same, so let's go to Voicemeeter input, properties, advanced, 2448. So this is incorrect. Change that to remember to change recording as well. So this part, if you don't see the 12, just do 2 channel. Voicemeeter output again. Okay, everything's in sync, all the same. Go back to sound again, and scroll down. So once you install Voicemeeter, so you have these two. So set default communication. So Voicemeeter input, set as default device. Here in the Voicemeeter aux input as default communication device. The reason why it's blanked out because it is already set as the default. Then go to recording, same deal. Set default host device, and the aux is communication. Again, it's blanked out because it is already set. You have everything installed and all done, so go to voice meter banana. So it looks a bit intimidating at first, but just follow my steps. So go to the menu, check this on. So if any changes on the device, it will restart. Okay, so we go to next part. You go to A1. This way we will select the Model 12. Model 12, and now it's connected. You go to menu, next step, system settings. On this part, so A1 main device, we're gonna select 1 because this is where our microphone is gonna come through, and then the A2 here, so this is where our game gonna come back, so it's 7 and 8. And this part is where our Discord or Zoom chat gonna come back, coming in 9 and 10. Once that's done, you can close this. It's done, so let's quickly uncheck all this. Uncheck all this. Remember the microphone. So this is allocated to the channel 1 where the microphone is, because there's only one here. So it's mono. And this is where the game audio is going to come. So remember, this makes it easier. So this is the game. So this will be representation of 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. So to send it to 7 and 8, click here. And this A3 is associated to 9 and 10. Well, Discord and Zoom going to send audio back into the Zoom, so and your friends don't hear the echo. So here, so we got the B1. So we can test it out. So let's open the cup here. Seven and 8. Now in the Discord settings, so if everything is set up already, then the default should be okay. But if you want the specific, so you can go to input device, scroll down and look for voice meter output. So this one, and then for the output device is voice meter input, voice meter aux input. So this one, voice meter aux input. And we can test this. I'll grab my microphone. Check 1, check 1, 2, 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 check 1, 2. So the echo, because I had the microphone on my channel 1 main engaged, so I turned that off. So this is gonna be straight from the 9 and 10. So now that's working. And that's pretty much it. So we have the game audio coming through to 7 and 8, and then the Zoom and Discord coming to 9 and 10. Any questions? You can leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Take care.